have a quick word about plucking. Now I'm using a pick. You can hold it like that. I don't hold it way out there. I hold it so there's just a little bit of the tip showing, as if it's a long fingernail between my thumb and my first finger, holding it firmly but not squeezing so hard I'm getting tense and hurting my veins. I just, you got to hold on to it so you don't drop it, but you don't have to go crazy. I see people getting all tense for some reason. Just relax. You're having fun. Remember. Now back to plucking. I'm going to start with this E string, low E. If I pluck low E, I'm going to stop on the next string down, which is A. It's called a rest stroke because you're resting on the string after. That's how I want you to try and do all the strings. Okay? So you can go down and you just stop. You use that as a resting place. You don't pluck wildly, swinging your arm away from the guitar. You definitely don't do this. You see some people doing horrible things. It's just very small action. Your wrist is kind of curling over, kind of sticking out a bit almost, and you're just letting this hand fall onto the next string. And that will be the same when I go to play my A string. I'll rest on the D or whatever string comes next. So we're doing rest strokes. We're going to do 8 on each string slowly. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A string. Remember to rest on the next string down. 5, 6, 7. D string. 5, 6, 7. Next up to G. Make sure you're focusing on getting nice clean notes. 6, 7, 8, and B. 5, 6, we're nearly there, 7, and then E. And then obviously this one, there's no more strings to rest on. 6, 7, 8. Okay, so have a little think about that. Rest strokes. Using the string after, oh, see, I did it wrong, to stop your pick on. Or if you haven't got a pick and you just do it with your thumb, same thing. Just resting. Because it gives you more control and it gives you a nicer sound.